Hi guys, I am Vipin. In this video, we are going to see what is the fundamental analysis of a stock while investing. Okay, let's get started. Before we start, what is a fundamental analysis of a stock? Let us look at recap what and all we have seen in our before videos. It is a basic roadmap we are following till now in our YouTube channel. Okay, now we are here of investing and selecting a individual stocks. Before that, we have seen what are all the incomes first we are having, whether it is a business income or a high income skill or we are getting a job income. Okay, and the first thing we should do after getting our income is we should invest on ourselves. Okay, and then we should split that remaining amount into percentage term and we should invest in these asset classes. That is, consider if we get 100 rupees as a net income, then we should invest like 40 rupees for our needs and wants, and 10 rupees for a fun amount, and 10 rupees for emergency fund, and 10 rupees for our insurance, and 10 rupees for a fixed income instruments like FD, RD, or bonds, or real estate, and remaining 20% we should invest in a stock portfolio. Okay, in that also, if you are a person doing a business, then we should not select the individual stocks. We should put all our money in the index funds and follow our business. Okay, if we are a job going person, then we should split that 20 into 10, 10, and first 10 we should invest in a index fund, and remaining 10 we should invest in a individual stocks. Okay, we have done almost 54 videos explaining every individual things in a detailed way, from how to budget and how to split our income in percentage and invest in different classes. Okay, and we have also shown a Excel that if we are doing this in a very disciplined way till 5 years or 10 years, then how our portfolio will look like. Okay, after some years we have fulfilled our emergency funds and we also have invested in bonds, and that will produce income for us, and we also have a remaining 10% for our emergency fund. That all remaining funds we should invest in the stock portfolio to develop our overall wealth. Okay, before investing the stock portfolio, first go and watch the bond playlist as well as the to get the right mindset for investing. Please go and watch our intelligent investor book show so that you will get a right mindset to invest in stocks. Okay, and in the stock investing also, we don't come directly to the stock investing. Rather than, we have posted 4 videos for the introduction to stock market, and who are all the market participants like FII and DII, and what are all the market participants types you have seen, that is scalper, trader, and investor. In that we are the investor category. Okay, and in that investing category also there are two types, that is fundamental analysis and technical analysis. The main difference between the fundamental analysis and technical analysis is by doing the technical analysis we can predict the short term movement of the market, but to stay invested for a long time we should analyze the fundamentals of the company to stay invested for a long term to make a very good returns for ourselves. Okay, now let us see a basic introduction to fundamental analysis. Okay, now let us see what is fundamental analysis. Okay, now let us consider we are buying a shoe, a product, or a cell phone, or anything. What we do, we will check the quality, and we will check who is the manufacturer. We will check how much days it will last for us, and we also check whether it is a worth product to buy or not, and we also check the multiple sellers to check whether we are buying at the correct price. These are the day-to-day analysis we will do before we are going to buy any products or a good from others. Okay, likewise in the stock market, while we are going to buy a share, we also analyze certain things. If we are going to analyze the price movement of the stock, then it is a technical analysis. If we are going to analyze what business they are doing and what is their financial stability, and if you are going to analyze about the business, then it is called a fundamental analysis. Our aim is to invest for a long term so that we should know exactly what the business is doing, what the product they are selling, who are all their customers, and where they are getting raw materials from. These are the basic fundamental things we should know about the company and about the promoter also. Okay, to conclude it, the fundamental analysis, we are going to analyze the what exactly the business is doing. Okay, by doing the fundamental analysis of a company, we should get the answer for these three questions. The three questions are what exactly the business is doing and history of the company. It means that we should know in and out about the company, like who is the owner, at which year the company started, and at the earlier stage how the company is used to be, and who are all the investors, and the background of the promoter, and which industry they are, what product they are selling, or what service they are selling, from where they are buying the raw materials, and who are all their competitors, who are all their customers. We should know everything about the company by doing the fundamental analysis. Okay, how we can get every information? By reading the news about the company or seeing the annual report, like that. Okay, and the second question we should answer is the financial stability of the company. It means that everything in the business is all about making money. Okay, and how well they are utilizing their resources and money, and we should know at starting with how much capital they have started, and over the long time how much debt they are accumulated, how they are managed to pay the interest for the debt, and how much outstanding debt their company has, and how much dividends they are paying to shareholders, whether the company is making profit or not, whether the company is making a very good improve in sales or not. We should check everything related to the financial terms and everything related to the money, how the company is handling. We should check and study and analyze everything about the financial of the companies. Okay, and we should be able to answer this question also. And third important question we should also answer, whether I am buying the stock, whether I am buying the stock or a share at the correct price. This is the important question we need to answer. That is whether I am buying a share at the correct price or not. Okay, even though the company we selected may doing a very good business and the promoter of the company is so ethic and honest, and the financial stability of the company is also so good, they are making a very good profit and they are sharing it to the shareholders, and with the extra money they are also investing in themselves, they are expanding their business, everything according to the financial also they are doing good. But the third thing we should check is whether I am paying the correct price to buy the share or not. Okay, how we should know whether we are buying at the correct price or not? To know that in the Intelligent Investor book, we studied that the thing called intrinsic value. The intrinsic value is nothing but the real value of the company. We should never buy the share price which is higher to the intrinsic value of the company. Okay, let me explain. Okay, now if you consider the intrinsic value of the company is 100 rupees and now the share is trading at, let's say, 150 rupees, then we should not buy the company. Even though the company is making a very good profit and the company is doing a very good business, we should never buy the share which is trading above its intrinsic value, or we should never pay a premium amount to buy the share. Rather than we can wait until when the share price equals the intrinsic value or falls below the intrinsic value, we can start accumulating it, so that in the long term we can avoid the risk of being wrong while choosing a share. Okay, this is the main three questions we should ask ourselves while doing the fundamental analysis of a company. Okay, it is a basic introduction to the fundamental analysis. In the next video we can see what is the quality analysis and the quantity analysis of a company. Okay, till then stay tuned. Thank you for watching.